Are you feeling arm numbness after long hours at work? So let's fix it with a quick yoga routine tailored just for you. So today arm numbness has become a common issue due to most of us spending long hours at our desk. So the simple yoga stretches can be done right at your workspace to improve the circulation, the blood circulation in your arms, as well as to relieve the tension and the stiffness in your arms. So let's practice now. So the first practice which we are doing, that is a simple practice of shoulder movements. So we'll start with the shoulder rotations. So keeping your fingertips on your shoulders, elbows together. Now take your elbows down and make a forward direction circle. Once you come in the front, again touch the elbows together. So this is one round. Breathe normally and continue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Practice with medium pace. 8, 9, and 10. Now change the direction, reverse. Take your elbows up, take it behind, and once again, elbows together. 1. Keep the head steady, back steady, breathe normally. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly open up your arms and release. Relax for a couple of breaths. Take deep and long breath in. Long breath out. So this was the first practice, shoulder rotations. Now the second practice is for the elbows. So this is elbow bending. Just stretch your arms in the front. Bend your elbows and place your palms on the shoulders. And then again open up your forearms like this. Let's practice. Stretch your arms. Palms facing up. Inhale. Breathe normally. Place it on your shoulders. Open up your arms. 2, 3, open up the arms fully. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly open up the arms and release. Relax for breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Deep and long breath in. And a long breath out. Now the next practice is for the wrist joint. So stretch your both arms with palms facing up. So we're going to practice the palms bending like this. So that will help us to give that nice movement for the wrist. So stretch your arms with palms facing in the front, 90 degree. Breathe normally as you practice 10 rounds. 1. Place your palms down, fingertips pointing downward. Take it up. 2, 3, press gently. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale, release. Now the next practice is for the wrist rotation. So forward and reverse both directions. Now stretch your arms again, palms facing in the front. Now bend your thumbs, wrap your fingers around. Keep the wrist 90 degree to your arms and then start the rotation both in same direction. Breathe normally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, release. Relax your arms, relax your breath. Take a deep and long breath in. Long breath out. Now the last practice, this is called as a finger pumping. Very good practice which not only gives a good muscle stretching for the whole arm, but also improves the blood circulation. Just like a pumping, when the water pump is there, so it pulls the water from another end. So similarly, this is the pumping action where we are stretching the arms, keeping the fingers apart, making a tight fist and again stretching. So because of this continuous movement like this, it starts pumping the blood in your arms, and this releases the numbness as well as the stiffness for the muscles. So over the whole working day, sometimes we are engaged and our arms are just fixed on our desk and using the mouse and working on so many things. We sometimes may get a little bit of stiffness. So this is the practice which doesn't take more than a minute, but it's a very, very good practice which can improve your blood circulation as well as the muscle stretching. So let's practice now. Finger pumping. Stretch your both arms, keep your fingers apart. We'll be practicing total for 50 counts. So just try to make it fast movement, making a tight fist and again stretching fully. So try whatever best speed you can. Breathe normally. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Exhale, release. Just close your eyes. Take a deep and long breath in. Long breath out. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Gently open your eyes. So every day we are going to work for long hours. So that is something which is unavoidable. But at the same time, we can also practice this simple stretching practices, which can be even done at your workplace also, and doesn't take much of the time. Just 5 to 8 minutes, 10 minutes, and you will see that it will help you to maintain a very good arm health and the arm strength. So do practice on regular basis and see the wonderful benefits of this. Thank you.